Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to open a Salem 5 Direct savings account. Start by opening salesm5.com in your web browser. Then, go to Accounts. Here, go to the Savings section and click on Open a Savings Account. On this page, you will find different savings that you can choose to continue. Select the one that matches best your needs. For this video, we are continuing with an open savings account. You must be a US citizen or permanent resident alien to continue. If you fulfill these requirements, click on the Get Started button. Now review your current selection and select all the services you want to avail with this account. Scroll down and click on Continue. On this application form, you need to fill in all the necessary information, including your full name, current address, and mailing address. Also, you will need to provide identification information, including your citizenship status, social security number, date of birth, and other details. Lastly, add employment information and select to add beneficiaries or joint owners if needed. Once done, click on Continue. Next, a verification will be done and you will receive a confirmation of your new savings account. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.